Hello, this is Laura from Lamplight Crochet. Today I will be showing you how to make this fun messy bun beanie, and I made this from the crown down to the bottom, and it's made of double crochet, and then the brim right here is made out of front post double crochet and back post double crochet. And I do have a tutorial video on that if you want to click on that and see a slow demonstration of how to do that, but I will be showing you how to do that in this video. This hat fits a 20-inch head, and in order to make this I will be using Red Heart Super Saver in white, medium weight. We will need a yarn needle, a pair of scissors, and an eye hook in a 5.5 millimeter. All right, thanks for joining me. Let's begin. Okay, we need to place the yarn on the hook, so we're going to wrap it around our upper two fingers and cross over. Turn the hand over and place the hook underneath the first piece. Pull the second piece down in, and then tighten the ends, and we have a slip knot on our hook. Now we need to make 31 chain. So you need to wrap the yarn around the back side of your hook and pull it down through. 2, 3, 4, and I will see you back here after 31 chain. Okay, we've completed 31 chain, and it's very important right now to stop and count every single chain to make sure that you have 31. Then we need to join the chain, so we're going to keep the piece facing us in the front at all times, and we're going to join it with the top facing us at all times. That way we will not twist it. See how I did that? The top is facing at all times. And then we place the hook inside and wrap the yarn around, pull it all the way through, and we have a slip stitch. Okay, we are not twisted now. So we are going to go ahead and do a double crochet into every single stitch around. So we need to chain up by 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to place a double crochet in the next stitch over. So we need to wrap the yarn around, place the hook in there, wrap around again, pull it through, wrap around again, pull through 2, wrap around again, pull through 2. All right, we're going to repeat that around this entire chain, and we will end up with 30 double crochet. So we'll see you at the end of this chain. Okay, once we have finished our 30 double crochet around, it will probably be in this direction, but what you want to do is turn it over, because really you'll be crocheting the hat like this. So sometimes that can be confusing. Now when we reach the very last double crochet, we're now going to join in the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, count up. And place your hook into the top there, slip stitch through. Now we're going to chain up 3 more, and we're on the next row. So on this row, we are going to begin in the next stitch over, and we are going to do 1 double crochet, go into the next stitch over and do another double crochet. Now in the next one over, I want you to do 2 double crochet. And this is the pattern that we will be doing on this row. 1, 1, 2. So 1 double crochet in the next one, 1 double crochet in the next one, and 2 double crochet in the next one. So I'll see you at the end of the row after you repeat that pattern around. Okay, when you come to the end of your row of 1, 1, 2, that would be the pattern you've repeated. Now we're going to join to the top chain of the chain 3 and slip stitch, and you should have 40 on that last row. We're going to chain up 3, begin in the next stitch over again, and now the pattern is going to be 1, 1, 1, 2. So we're adding an extra 1 in there. We're still expanding the hat. So repeat that around. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, another double crochet, and then 2 in the next one. Okay, we'll see you at the end of this row. Okay, once again, you should have ended on 2 double crochet in the very last stitch. We're going to join at the top of the chain 3 and do a slip stitch to join, chain up 3. Now the row that we're going to do now, we just add one more single double crochet, and it will be the last row that we are increasing on. So beginning in the stitch next, we will do 1 double crochet. The next one, another double crochet. A third double crochet in the next one, a fourth double crochet in the next one over. And now we will do 2 double crochet in the next one over. So the pattern is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So 4 singles and 2 in the next one. We'll repeat that around and I'll see you back at the end. Okay, I've finished my very last increase row, so I am going to join at the top of the chain 3, chain up 3, and now the rest of my rows that I'm going to do will be only 1 double crochet in each stitch around because we are finished increasing. You should have a total of 9 rows by the time you are finished. Start this row and do 60 double crochet around and finish up until you have 9 rows of double crochet. And so we'll see you then because I'm going to show you how to make the rim. Okay, here I've reached the end of my 9th row of double crochet, and I have decided to put a purple trim on mine. This other one that I made was all in pink, obviously, but I decided to go ahead and put a purple trim of single crochet around the top. And now I'm going to add the purple again to do this back post double crochet and front post double crochet edging. So you have a choice. You can continue on with white. And so you would just slip stitch into the end of the row again, right here at the top chain of the chain 3. But if you want to change colors like me, I will show you now how to change colors. What you do when you change colors is you come down to your last double crochet. And before you make your last wrap around and pull through, that's where you want to join. You want to pull the new color on through and tighten everything up. As soon as you do that, you can join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. That way everything's hidden as much as possible and the new color joins cleanly. Go ahead and chain up 3. And now we are going to find the first double crochet post next to the chain 3. We're going to wrap the yarn around, take our hook down in front of our work, go behind the post, wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2. That is a front post. The next one will be a back post. So we want to wrap around, go behind the work with the top of our hook, and wrap around the next double crochet post. Wrap the yarn around, wrap it around again, wrap around and pull through the last. Okay, we're going to do a front post next. So we're alternating between front post and back post double crochet. So we wrap around, take our hook down in front of the work and go behind the next post. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2 more. Okay, the next one will be a back post double crochet. We wrap the yarn around, we go back behind the work and wrap around the post, wrap around and pull through, wrap around and pull through, wrap around and pull through. There we go. So let's just continue to do a front post, back post double crochet all the way around. And okay, I've just finished my very first row of front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Those will be alternating all the way across the round. So what we do to join our row is we place our hook into the very top of the chain 3 and we slip stitch like we normally do for every row, and then we chain up 3 and then we will begin the process again. So what you'll do is wrap around, go behind it, wrap around and pull the yarn behind it, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2. So what we're doing is accentuating the entire post. As you can see, the post carries itself throughout both rows here. So the next one will be a back post. We wrap around, go behind, and in front of that post, and you have to hold it real good, wrap around, pull through. There are 3 pieces, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2. The next one will be a front post. So we go behind that front post and wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2. And I will meet you back after 2 rows of front post double crochet, back post double crochet. So we will see you at the very end where we're ready to do the very last row of single crochet to finish it off. Okay, I've just completed my second row, so I'm going to chain up 1 in order to do a single crochet across every single stitch to just kind of give it a nice, even, rounded look. So just finish this up here and then we'll go around the entire row and slip stitch at the end, and we will have this hat complete. I'll see you back at the end. Okay, I have finished my white beanie with purple trim, and this is a messy bun beanie, and I hope you really enjoy it. Like I said, this will fit a size 20 to 21 inch head. That's what it's been made for. Thank you for joining me at Lamplight Crochet. Be sure to share my videos with other friends who crochet. We hope to see you back here next time, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.